More T5 goodness. Bell housing's painted. I'm going to go ahead and put it together first and then paint the rest of the components in the transmission. The housing inside's cleaned up, got most of the cracks out of it. I'm going to put the cluster assembly on next. Install the magnet, and the clip goes facing this way, and it just goes pressed in. Press it in with your hand till the seat's in all the way. Try to pull up on the clip and see if it's going to come off easy, and it doesn't. It's in there, it's holding the magnet in place. Went ahead and got the race in. Make sure that the face is inside and not outside. That way the bearing goes in it. Don't make that mistake. Got the gear cluster in with a new bearing and race. I'm using the old spacer to try to get the preload on the cluster, but it was too tight. Once I put this plate on with the old spacer, this is the old spacer here. Put the plate in, and when you put the plate in, you could spin it, but it wasn't spinning too freely. It was kind of tight. So I got to go with these other ones until I get the right preload. Got the cluster support on and it's torqued. It's got preload on it. That's how it's supposed to be according to all the videos I've watched. This is my first transmission ever, so hopefully it works out. I torqued these to 15 foot-pounds with Loctite. And I have to wait for shift keys and other parts before I can put the main shaft in. But I can mess with the top cover. Here's the top cover, and the shift forks are in real bad shape. They were missing, one of them was missing a plastic pad on it, and the other one just fell right off. It's busted and broken. I did get new ones from Tremec. They look exactly the same. I don't know if there's a difference between the Borg Warner and the Tremec ones. I'm pretty sure they're pretty much identical.